going to teach you how to tie your Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu belt. And I'm going to show you two different ways. One, nice and easy so you can get it done quickly. Another one that requires a little more steps, but you're going to stay for a longer period of time. Okay, first one, nice and easy. You're going to get your belt right in the middle. You're going to close your gi. You're going to put the middle of the belt in the middle of your belly. You're going to wrap it around your waist. Bringing the belt back to the front on top of the belt that was already in your waist. You do a little adjustment just to make sure that the size is the same on both ends. You're going to cross them in the middle of your belly, pass through both belts, falling to the bottom. Now you're going to get the end on the other side, loop through, and pull it to the side. You want the belts falling to the side at the end. So this is the nice and easy one. Now I'm going to show you the one that is a little more steps, but it's going to keep it longer. You're going to close your gi, and you're going to get one end of the belt, and you're going to place it on your hip. Start on the left side. You're going to wrap it around your waist, bring it around, and always bringing it on top of the belt so it looks nice in the end. You're going to wrap it twice. So in the end, you're going to have on the right hand side one end hanging like this. You're going to push the first one that you put on your left side of your hip down, and you're going to bring the belt to the front. So they should be more or less at the same time, the same side at this stage. Okay. Now the one on the right, you're going to pass through both belts from the bottom up. You're going to leave it hanging like this. You're going to grab the one on the left side. You're going to pass through the middle between both belts, leaving this little space, because you're going to get the one that was left on the right hand side, and you're going to pass it from the bottom up through that little loop. And then the last step, you're going to pass through both belts on the opposite side. So now you're going to have a belt that is nice, sturdy, is going to stay for a longer period of time, and it looks pretty nice. I'll catch you guys next time. For more questions and answers, just please comment below.